Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Seat Me. So this car's finished in factory order. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. Costa Azul paintwork, which was a factory order colour. It's also got the candy white wheels, mirrors and roof, which were finished in the factory. So really nice colour, really stands out. Got the side decals as well, as you can see. Low owner car. We've just PDI'd this one already. We've done quite a bit of prep, so it's had new pads and discs at the front, which you can see. It's had a flexi pipe on it as well, on the exhaust, which was advisory in the last MOT. We've done new shoes, cylinders and drums as well, which you can see are brand spanking new. We've given it a service as well. A tyre, a few other bits as well. So it'll have 12 months MOT with no advisory fails. It's HPI clear, which is quite rare to find on these because they all seem to be owned by people who seem to smash them up. I'm not sure if it's all a lot of elderly drivers and a lot of young drivers, but really clean and straight for the mileage. So they do the Seat Me, the VW Up and the Skoda City Go. So my daughter's currently got the Skoda version, just because it was the only car that we could afford to insure her to learn on. It's great miles per gallon on them and the cheap road tax as well. So it's got the privacy glass from the factory. It's got the remote central locking, which, believe it or not, is an extra on these. Electric windows, again, which is an extra. And it's got the factory aircon as well and the foam prep. It's got the white dash insert as well, which just brightens up the whole interior. So it's done 105,000 miles, but I think looking at it, you wouldn't think it had covered this type of mileage. So we got it from a middle-aged couple. They'd actually used this as a second car to ferry the kids around in. Yeah, quite spacious when you're inside them. Do great miles per gallon as well. All clean and tidy down this side. So as with all our cars, they're all HPI clear. They'll come with a report. They're all supplied with a warranty and they've all got 12 months MOT. And as I said, this will have no advisories because we've done anything that was advised on the last MOT. As always, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange an appointment, whether that be just to view or for a test drive, just give us a ring, and it just means you don't have a wasted trip and the car will be pulled out for you somewhere where you can get it round, because when we are busy, they are packed quite tight in and it's not always easy for us just to pull them out. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Give us a call or drop us an email if you've got any questions. Thank you.